Hello guys, welcome to another brand new video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will trade New Zealand dollar versus US dollar. I hope you can watch the video here, in which I will be using trendline retracement strategy, in which we will generate good profit. I will apply all the trades. See you guys a little later. Guys, we have $3,300 in this account. Currently our loss is around $300. We have applied trade here with proper risk management. Through this we know how much loss and how much profit we can make in this trade. Now let me explain to you why we applied buying trade here. The market has been following the uptrend for a long time, since buying opportunities are continuously being created here. Here we will first create a trend channel from which we will know the market position. The market has been following this trend line for a long time, due to which the market is moving upwards, taking proper support. We'll connect all these support points well with the trend line. We will connect the second trend line with the same angle at higher high points. This trend line is acting as resistance. The market has been following this trend channel for a few days, due to which the market is moving in this trend channel and is moving upwards. If you want to trade with the market trend, then you must create a trend channel. This will reveal the exact position of the market. Now we draw a strong support resistance level here. The market has repeatedly reversed at this level, due to which we will see support resistance points at the same level. Here you can see that the market has created multiple support resistance points. All these points are important because by analyzing these points, we can predict the reverse points that will be created in the future. Here also the market has created multiple support resistance points at the same level. Whenever the market comes near this level in the future, we will see reversal points being created. High probability chance the market will go up from here, as the market is taking support from the trend line as well as strong level, due to which we can see a good move upwards. Our analysis is going in the right direction. With this we can manage the trade well. Here I am drawing another strong level. At this level the market has created multiple support resistance points. The market has been following this level for a long time. This is a strong level of the market from which we can detect a reversal of the market around this level in the future. Here you can see the candle wick outside the trend channel, because the market has taken support at this strong level and has given a very good move upwards. Here my stop loss will be below the strong support resistance level and outside the trend channel, which is 18 pips below. If there is a breakout below the trend line here, we will plan for a sell trade, and the target point will be 36 pips above. The market has gone here before but reversed back around this level. Here I am using risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. Guys, our loss is increasing, but we know how much our loss will be here because we are following proper risk management here. Guys, all our work is completed. Now we will continue in this trade with patience. You must be seeing the stop loss and target point clearly. This is our exit point. We will close the trade as soon as the market hits either of these points. Because here I am following all my rules to be always profitable. You have to create your own trading rules. You cannot copy others' rules. See you guys after some time. If you like this video, then please like it. Very nice, guys. The market is moving the way we thought here. Our prediction was absolutely correct. We trust our analysis, because of which we are achieving our goal. Always trust our analysis and always follow the risk to reward ratio 1 to 2, so that you will be profitable on the last day of the month. Till the time our target is hit, I will tell you further analysis, by which we will know where the market will stop and where it will move. At this level the market has created multiple resistance points, due to which the market has reversed at this level for a long time. The market has not yet broken this level. Our target point is slightly below this level, which is going to be hit very soon. Now we wait until the profit target is hit before we close the trade, no matter what.
A few moments later.
Guys, our target has just been hit. The market is going up very fast. We have applied the trade in the right direction. Now two conditions are being created here. In the first condition, the market can go up by breaking the level, and in the second condition it can go back down by creating resistance points here. Unless the strong level above is broken, a good buying opportunity cannot be created. Let's close the trade now. Guys, our profit here is above $6,000. We had deposited $3,300 in this account, which has now grown to $10,000. We were patient in this trade and waited for a good move in the market. If you always practice the trading system and trading process well, then you too can become a profitable trader and make. If you have learned something from this video, then do like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
Like this.